Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you. I'm starting out here in my kitchen. This is just like one of the necessities that has to get done around my home. My kitchen and the bathrooms are pretty much a must here. I can pretty much deal with anything else. Let me know if you feel the same. I just added a little barkeeper's friend on the bottom of this skillet, and it helps so much with getting the little residue and the burn marks off with a nice tough sponge.
I really wanted to get it right.
I'm Raquel. If you are new here, hello, welcome, and thank you guys so much for returning back for another video. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.
I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get...
I don't clean my oven rack every single time I clean my kitchen, but once I do start seeing a little bit of buildup, I'll go ahead and take care of it just so it's not getting overwhelming and letting it get too out of hand.
Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my mirror here. I'm just gonna get wiped down. It was pretty dusty, so I had to continue to go over it a few times just because I continue to see like little smudge marks and all of that.
All I wanted was to be alone.
We are now on the next morning. I had to stop what I was doing yesterday and hop on and get logged into work. So now I am starting here by making our bed. I get my day started and we will go from there.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say. What makes it worth it?
go ahead and pop a few clips in from our bathroom refresh. I just did this a few days ago, so I thought it was fitting for this cleaning video. If you did miss it, it's still the same. It is absolutely so cute. I love it. So here you go, and now let's move on to the living room.
Out of my head, why won't you tell me? Your body fell out of the bed. Why should I stay? Calling me every time, calling me. Search for me, pull back your hand from me. Say everything falls, even the stars. Say but I still recall the end to the start. You pulled your hand out through your hair, asked me to follow. And I'll do whatever I can, but I'm just a man. Yeah. Say everything falls, even the stars. Say but I still recall the end to the start, end to the start. Everything falls, even the stars. Everything falls, yeah, even the stars.
Okay, so here goes the little tablescape that I just created. I just placed a few little beaded picks into a crystal vase, and then I got this cake stand maybe a few days ago from Home Goods. I thought it was so chic with the wood and the gold elements, so I just placed it on the table and a few candlesticks, and that's gonna be it for now. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and finish vacuuming up all the little beads from them picks because it is a little bit messy.
It is too dark now, I lost the spark now. I've got a second way to home, but all my friends, how they turn my weak sides into a bit of a higher zone, Well, I'm not gonna run now, I've come too far to let it down. But even if I turn around, I've got the love on my side, now they're chasing what I know they'll always be right next to me, right next to me, and I'll be next to you, right next to me, and I'll be next to you, right next to me.
must say I am really enjoying how this little section came out with the little pops of gold from the little picture frame that I found at Ross to this little CB2 bookshelf. I really enjoy it, but I continue to add more and more plants back over into this area because of the light. It's much better there, so you may continue to see more and more plants continue to go over this way just because of the window.
Right next to me. They'll always be right next to me. Always be right next to me. Always be right next to me. Right next to me. Right next to me. And I'll be next to you. Next to you. Right next to me. Right next to me. And I'll be next to you. Next to you. Right next to me. Right next to me. And I'll be next to you. Next to you. Right next to me. Right next to me.
Alright, you guys, thank you so very much for rocking out with me on this beautiful video. I really do appreciate each and every last one of you for joining me today. Here goes the little tablescape that I added here. You know, nothing too much. It's really cute and simple. Little pops of gold. I just found this cake dish at Home Goods. I really like the wood and the gold detail. Yeah, so I just added the other things that I had around house. I had these little picks from last year. I didn't really get to use them. They're like beaded little picks, and I think they came from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you'll see them or not, but they like little crystal beads. They're a little bit messy because I kept having to wipe them up. And then I just added some little berries for a pop of red. So there we go. And here is our living space right here. I've been adding more plants back over here because over in that corner, some of them are not doing so well. So you may see a little bit more plants over here. Yeah, they like the window and the light. All right, so thank you so very much. And this thing is still sitting here. I don't know how long it'll be here, if I'll get rid of it or not, but it's still there for now. All right, thank you. I will catch you guys on the next one. Okay, I just added that little gold pot down there with a whole bunch of random greeneries, sounding like you're empty.
This